Why is my poinsettia shedding leaves?
Hello, plant enthusiasts. If you're watching this, you're likely experiencing the woes of a poinsettia dropping its leaves. Don't worry. We're going to dive deep into the common reasons that cause poinsettias to shed their leaves and how you can address each one.
Why are poinsettias popular?
Before delving into the problems, let's first understand the appeal of this plant. Poinsettias are popular around the holidays for their bright red and green foliage. Native to Mexico, they are photoperiodic, meaning they bloom in response to the shorter days and longer nights of winter.
What causes leaf drop?
Poinsettias can be a bit finicky when it comes to their care, and several factors can lead to leaf drop. 1. Watering issues. Overwatering or underwatering can both lead to leaf drop. 2. Temperature stress. Poinsettias prefer temperatures between 65 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit during the day and no less than 60 degrees Fahrenheit at night. 3. Drafts. They are sensitive to cold drafts or hot air from heaters and vents. 4. Improper light. While they need some light to thrive, too much direct sunlight can be harmful.
How can I fix the issue?
Now that we've identified the possible problems, let's discuss solutions. 1. Perfecting watering. Make sure the soil is dry to the touch before watering. Also, ensure the pot has proper drainage to prevent water from sitting at the bottom. 2. Maintain ideal temperature. Place your poinsettia in a spot where the temperature remains fairly consistent, within the 65 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit range during the day. 3. Avoid drafts. Keep the plant away from open windows, doors, or areas that experience sudden temperature changes. 4. Lighting. Place your poinsettia near a bright window, but shield it from direct sunlight with sheer curtains or by placing it a few feet away from the window. With these tips in mind, your poinsettia should thrive and maintain its beautiful foliage throughout the holiday season and beyond. Remember, with the right care, these plants can flourish and become a staple in your festive decor. Happy planting!